going? Okay, hi. This is you. I'm gonna surprise Mom with the dress she wore when she was knocked up with
Good thing she was pregnant.
you were
Good
in
thing
it.
she was
Because I'm just
pregnant
telling
when
Betty about how when you get pregnant, you should marry the guy who does that when you get married. Oh, God, you came later, but yours was... Okay, follow me this way. I need you to go. Here comes the bride.
Here comes the
Keep singing.
Here comes the bride. Look, I'm Sunny.
Hold still! Greta, I can't take a picture of you when you're dancing.
This is me me pretending I am Kelly with Betty. Betty, I got an idea. Betty, get under here.
Why?
Because. Where?
Greta, step back.
Crawl down, get on your knees.
Don't break.
Now this is just
Okay.
idiotic.
Okay, this is me being Mom, pregnant with Betty when we got married, and then 6 months later, because that's normally how long it takes babies. Am I beautiful?
No. That's my turn to be bored.
You want to do what?
Be bored.
Be bored.
Well, technically I was never alive.